today I'm going to do a swirly bun.
What is a swirly button?
What is a swirly button? I'm glad you asked. This is a swirly bun. So it starts out a lot like the Nautilus with this kind of twist. And then when you pull the hair through, instead of stopping part way, you pull it all the way through. Pull this loop over and then twist and wrap the rest of the hair. And I have been finding in my experimenting that I like a fork or a swerve best for holding this. So I have a swerve here. Okay, got interrupted there, but yeah, have it with a swerve. It's not the most solid feeling bun for me, so I might want to try some other ways of holding it up, maybe a stick. But yeah, that's the idea. I'm pretty sure I got that right.